Yeah. Looking at a tractor. Looking at some implements. I think I'm gonna go with something like this for a grapple. Pretty cool looking. I did some research last night. I believe this one's taken, but I think I'd go with the same thing. Good for rocks, good for a bit of everything. Under there, box scraper. BB 3072. $1,500. and after looking around, seeing what inventory is available, it's looking like a 3510 SC hydrostat. I think I'm ready to pull the trigger. Just gotta wait for the guy to get back. Pretty goofy without everything on it. Just pulled in. Gonna go try and finance one of these things. I'm nervous. Well, I don't know how long I was in there for, but yeah, so CK 3510, and I'm approved, 0%. I get so nerved up, and sure enough, man, that's pretty cool. So that's good, calms me down. The anticipation or curiosity or whatever word I'm looking for that I can't find. Oh my goodness, what are we doing here? Anyway. So because I'm a little anxious, that's pretty cool. I just had to come out and take a peek. It's a 2610. Yeah, those are the ones that have been sitting there for a minute. Anyway, definitely closed. Certainly not expecting it to be waiting and ready, but and the one I was videoing was right there, and it's not. So maybe it's in there. I don't know if I have the knot to go in or up to the window, so I'm not gonna. Oh yeah, but those definitely look like not the tires I'm getting. Okay, never mind. Wow, no, it's just literally a few sets of tires, and I'm just wet dreaming hard here. But yeah. Anyway, I'll just try and wait for the call and not be so yeah. Hopefully quickly before my phone dies, but just being nosy, coming through. That's exactly what I ordered. And it's missing from the spot behind me where I'm parked, and that's the box scraper I'm getting. So I've got to assume this is it. Hopefully I'll be hearing from them ASAP. Too cool. That same machine that was just up here by the garage door is that one right there with the box and everything. And I still haven't gotten a call. So I literally don't know what to think, but yeah. Anyway, hopefully I'm hearing from him soon. Getting a little antsy. Trying to be patient. Getting a little antsy. Looks pretty sweet.